Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the optimize battery charging. So first you go to settings and then you scroll down to battery, tap on battery, and then there it says battery health, tap there, and then there you can turn on optimize battery charging. So just tap there and then it's on. So this is to reduce battery aging. iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. So that's it for today, and I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.